Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. We are on lesson number 33 and I'm going to show you an interesting game called Sudoku Solver. We are going to solve ton loads of numerical problems here using Sudoku as a game. Most of you might be having a physical game, a Sudoku game like a board or even a soft, the program on the computer. But however, building a Sudoku solver using Python of your own is totally different and it's one of a kind. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the code. So it's basically about how many lines? I think approximately 200 lines. Yes, 140. Yeah, about 140 lines of code, and I did explain some of the lines, some of the sections line by line. So basically, the Sudoku solver in Python is it's a basically a simple project, right? And using a simple GUI-based tickinter, our favorite, our friend tickinter, which is very easy to understand and use. This game is a simple puzzle. It's like a puzzle project. You have to input any numbers between 1 to 9. Okay, it has to be a single digit number in order to complete the puzzles across all the boxes, small boxes. It's a grid which forms in a GUI. Now about the features of the system, this Python application, the code, what is written here in front of you, is designed to solve a very complex puzzle between 1 to 9, right? You can use solver from the option to solve the puzzle if you want, or if you don't want, you can manually enter and try to solve as well. So you can try both the ways. So that's the logic being built. Also, you can submit your answer after completing the puzzle, and it's capable of handling the number in a very complex way. So let's run this code quickly and I will show you a short demo and see how interesting it is. Let me run this, and you can see a happy little boxes, which is our tickinter app. And you can, of course, you can add colors to it. I just made it as a gray and white to make it pretty simple. You can add multiple colors and grid boxes, so that is up to you. You can modify. Let me enter some numbers here. So let's say 1, say 4. It doesn't accept 0, but let me try. It doesn't accept. See, 9, 5, 2, 1, 4, 4, 7. Now let's say solve. Click the button solve, and it's solving this problem. Now I don't understand the logic, what exactly it works, the way the game works, but the logic, the way it solves is, how Sudoku rules and the thumb of rules is. If you want to understand the Sudoku game thumb of rules, you can just Google it. There are tons of document. You can read through that and play this game. It's going to be very interesting. You can clear this again and you can start putting in some numbers and try to solve the problem, how it works. Solve. There you go, guys. It's a pretty interesting game. All right, you can also add a voice module, a sound module to this, as and when there is a solution available, it's going to spell out. That's possible. It's easy. It's just a logical thinking, and add the library called play sound. We can do that. I will teach you how to do that. Do reach out to me. I will take a one-on-one session with you and walk you through this. All right, guys. See you. Goodbye.